Welcome to Sri Saara Academy, Tirukoilur. Unlock your child's true potential with our expert coaching programs tailored to help them excel in academics and beyond. We offer tuition for classes 1 to 12, covering both State Board and CBSE curricula. With a focus on personalized attention and comprehensive learning, your child's success is our priority. In addition to academic coaching, we provide a range of skill-based courses including spoken English for confident communication, typewriting and shorthand for professional skills, Abacus and Vedic Maths for mental agility, maths tricks for quick problem-solving KOA, Certificate of Office Automation comprehensive computer courses for all ages. Admissions are open now. Call us at 807-229-1059 to enroll today. Special early bird offers are available for those who register soon. Don't miss this opportunity to build a brighter future. Visit us at Sri Saara Academy, Tirukoilur. Together, let's empower students and inspire excellence. Your journey to success starts here at Sri Saara Academy. Address number 40. Sevalai Road, Tirukoilur, Kalakurichy, PIN code 605757.